everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about the solar system. There's two because it's about Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune. So I'm going to talk to you about Mercury first. Here's Mercury. And Mercury is 36 million 36 million miles away from the sun. Mercury is so fast. It's so fast going around the sun. And in one day in Mercury, it's already been 59 days on the Earth if it's one day for Mercury. Yeah, Mercury is very fast to rotate. Yeah, the years is when the planets orbit, and the days is when the planets rotate. Yeah. And Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it's very hot too. Extremely hot. And here is Venus. Venus is 67 million miles away from the sun, very, very far. And Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though, diba, I told you Mercury is extremely hot. Venus is the hottest, but it's just the second planet from the sun, you know. And then it became the hottest. And Venus is close to the Earth in distance and size. And it has no moons too. But the planets rotate around like this. Well, Saturn, she does it the other way.
Saturn?
Wait, no. Venus does it the other way, like this. Okay. And then the planet we live on right now here is the Earth. The Earth is, of course, the place where we live, and it has water, it has life. God created the Earth perfectly in balance. Oh. Okay, and the next is Mars. Mars is sometimes can be called the red planet, and it's 142 billion miles away from the sun. And for the Earth, it's 93 million miles away from the sun. Do you know why it's color red? It has something like iron. Yeah, it's made out of red iron, I guess. And yeah, that's why it's called the red planet, because it's red, of course. And next, the biggest planet in the whole solar system is Jupiter, right here and right here. But of course, there's only one Jupiter. And Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. And you know, 1 year in Jupiter, do you know how many years is that on Earth? 12! Okay, imagine you are here on Earth and you're 12 years old. But when you arrive in Jupiter, you're only 1 year old. That is so long. Do you want your birthday you want to wait for your birthday like that long? Of course not. You really want your birthday to happen. Yeah. And yeah, this is how Jupiter is. And the farther the planets get, the bigger the years get than the Earth. Yeah, because it's getting more far than the sun. And then the second largest planet is Saturn. Saturn is like a beautiful planet, and it has a ring like this that makes it very unique. And do you know what this ring is made of? This ring of Saturn is made out of ice and rock. And they have a different speed. You know what I think is that the ice is faster while the rock is just it's not very slow. The rock, maybe it's just like this. While the ice is like this. Yeah, because what I think that ice is heavier. I mean, ice is lighter than rock. Diba? Okay. And that makes Saturn very unique. Yeah. And the ring is very far from Saturn. You know, but it still looks like it's very close. But when you look closely, it's very far away. But I forgot how many miles it was. Okay. And yeah, these two. Okay. First, I told you about these four planets up to Mars. They're called terrestrial planets. You know what terrestrial planets mean? Terrestrial planets mean they're covered with rock, except the Earth. It's with rock and water. Yeah, but the Earth is still a terrestrial planet. Yeah, while the Jupiter and Saturn are both gas planets. Yeah, and when we come to Uranus, it's a giant ice planet. It's not very giant, not as giant as Jupiter. I told you Jupiter is the biggest planet. Yeah. So yeah, Uranus is an ice giant. No, and Uranus, well, how it rotates, it's not like this. It's like this. It's like rolling around. Yeah, and it even has a ring, and it's 13 rings it has. Yeah, every planet is unique, like Uranus and Saturn. Yeah. And then Neptune also, it also is an ice giant. So here in this part, there are two gas giants and two ice giants. Neptune is an ice giant, and it has 15 moons, I think. And Neptune can have a very strong wind. Yeah. And do you know what is this circle in Jupiter? It's called the Great Red Spot. You know? And this Great Red Spot, it's like a hurricane, and it's so big it can cover 3 Earths inside. Imagine that. But here in Neptune, it has a great blue spot. Yeah, but you don't see it here because I didn't paint it. Yeah, but you can just imagine. And I got this from something. Uranus smells like rotten eggs. I got it from something like hopscotch.
Okay, so how about the other planets, Mac? Do they have moons?
Well, Earth has one moon, only has one moon. While Jupiter, 79 moons. And the Saturn, it has 35 moons and 29 to be checked if it's really a moon. And also, when you're here in Neptune, if it's 1 year in Neptune, it's already been 63 or 62. Yeah, 60. It's already been 163 years in Earth. We're already dead in that time, but here in Neptune, you're only 1 year old. Do you want to wait that long in your birthday? Of course not. Okay, and all of these planets are unique, and some are a bit dangerous. Yeah.
Okay, and how about Jupiter? Is it the biggest planet, the Jupiter? Yeah.
Yeah.
And how many Earths you can put it there?
1,300 Earths inside this Jupiter. And Venus is also the second largest planet. And all of these planets are in the big Milky Way. And you know that big Milky Way? It's bigger than you think. Yeah. And yeah, there's still a lot of things you need to learn about the solar system. But for now, we just learned about the planet.
Okay, is there a dwarf planet?
Oh yeah, there's a dwarf planet. Yeah. And I also have a song for that dwarf planet. Come on, Pluto, we know you're feeling blue. They changed your class, so you go blame it in the IAU. Now you're a dwarf planet. I know it's plain to see. But if you look what makes a planet great, dwarfs are 2 out of 3. You orbit a star, and your star is called the sun. You have enough gravity to make you round, but you're missing one. Do you clear your surroundings? Dwarf planets don't clear their neighborhood. You don't have enough mass, but join the class. If you don't know their names, you should. Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, Eris, Pluto. Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, Eris, Pluto. I'm Ceres, I'm dark, but I have bright spots. I'm the biggest in the asteroid belt, and I got 9-hour days. If you sleep, you miss them. I'm the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. I'm Makemake, and I take my time orbiting the sun. More than 300 Earth years for me is just one. You can tell who I am by my reddish-brown hue. They used to call me Easter Bunny. Look it up, it's true. I'm Haumea, and they used to argue fond of me. I got 2 moons and a ring around me. My shape is rough because I spin so fast. A 4-hour blaze, my days go past. I'm Aries, and there's no stranger like this, 'cause we bend the rules and the strangers gather this. I have been hearing some confusion in the past. Pluto may be bigger, but I got more mass. And I'm Pluto. To the 8 planets I say farewell. I got 5 moons and 1 so large that I orbit it as well. I enjoy my days with blue skies and red snow, but I send my love with my Tombow Radio. That's all, and bye-bye. Thanks for listening.
Okay, why they are called dwarf planets, Anan?
It's because they're not fully planets.
Okay, can you show me the notebook that you're always looking at kanina? What is it?
Well, I love science, it says. And then the notebook, and then this is the page I'm always looking at.
What is that? Ah, okay. It's like your notes you're writing?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the miles.
Ah, oh, I see. Okay, what can you say about the solar system that God created?
It's great. Yeah, and very long time in the rest of the planets in the years.
So when you say what Earth there has life is the
Earth.
so why it's called a planet, a life planet?
It's because Earth has all the air we need. And
Okay.
God kept the Earth in balance.
In balance. Oh wow. Okay, so when you say gas, it's made of what? What kind of gas? There, Jupiter and the Saturn, right?
Jupiter and Saturn. Hydrogen and helium.
Alright. Okay, that's all?
Yeah, that's all. Bye. Thanks for listening.